Today, I'm going to show you some super easy shortcut keys that can save your time and boost your productivity on Windows 11. Open Settings. Need to change something on your PC? Press Windows +I to open the Settings app right away. This shortcut gives you quick access to all your system settings like display, network, accounts, and more, so you can customize your Windows 11 experience effortlessly. Quick Settings. Press Windows +A to open the Quick Settings panel instantly. Want to adjust volume, Wi-Fi, or brightness? Open the Emoji panel. Want to add some fun to your messages or documents? Just press Windows +, or Windows +, to open the Emoji panel instantly. You can insert emojis, GIFs, symbols, and even K-emojis to express yourself better. Lock your PC. Stepping away from your computer, press Windows +L to instantly lock your PC and keep it safe. Open Task Manager. Hit Ctrl +Shift +Escape to open Task Manager directly. No need to right-click the taskbar. This shortcut gives you instant access to view and manage running processes, check performance, and force close unresponsive programs quickly. These shortcut keys can make your Windows 11 experience faster, easier, and more efficient. Try them out and feel the difference. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.